What's going on, everyone? It's Brain, which code you find jewelry, sure, personal jeweler. Got my week 1 Supreme tire tee, and Supreme sent out free gifts. Got these nice white gloves, so I said, you know what? It's white glove service around here. I want to do a video showcasing some gold, talking about, I'm getting a lot of emails, a lot of DMs. Is this the right time to buy a gold chain, gold, silver in general, with the price going up? So I want to give you guys my honest opinion slash flex these nice Supreme Hype Beast gloves. With that being said, let's get started. First things first, I gotta give a shout out to Harvey in Washington. When we're talking about buying gold, he went all in. He got the Jacoji 1 ounce Lady Fortuna pamp pendant with a 6.5mm Franco to pair with it. That's not all he ordered, but this is the highlight of his order right here. The Franco is a must on Jacoji.com, as well as that pamp pendant. The 1 ounce is a big boy. It's heavy. It is made right. We take a lot of pride in the pamp pendants, the coin pendants that we sell. In my opinion, some of the best in the world. They take a lot of time and craftsmanship to make, but they turn out good like you're seeing on the video. Before I rant, please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in white Supreme gloves giving advice to you based off my experience, as I've always done. I'm very passionate. Of course, there's a lot of stakes out for me, so I pay close attention to what's going on, and I'm sure you guys do as well. There's a lot of people that know gold and silver bullion, how the markets are moving. With that being said, is the price right now with gold, with silver, buying chains, buying bullion too high? And should you just kind of back off? It really depends. Yes, we're at all-time highs here. Last week, it looked like we might be getting to the 1800s per ounce for gold. This week, it might be, by the end of the week, 2,000 per ounce. So it really fluctuates up and down. It's hard to deal with. But overall, I would say yes, always keep buying. Maybe limit yourself, but the rise in gold and silver is a testament to your investment that you made. Yeah, of course, everyone wishes they bought gold when it was $1,200 an ounce, or silver when it was $12 an ounce. We all say, yeah, we should have 1,000 ounces of each, of course, but that's just not the case every time. And you can't get discouraged on that. You should buy when you have the ability, because as you've seen with history, it's gonna go up. If you're waiting for it to come back down, we really don't know when that's gonna be. It's not like me with Jacoji. I'm gonna wait to go buy a bunch of Francos because I think in 2 months it's gonna drop. I have to buy them now, and I want to buy them now to run my business. Same with my personal stack to hold my investments. Yes, I know that it's gonna drop a little bit, but I don't know when, and I want to keep stacking gold and silver because of my own personal beliefs and reason as to why I'm doing it. So a 4mm rope chain that you could get back 2 years ago, it's gonna be a lot more than it is today. But if you're still looking to buy jewelry and wear jewelry, then I would not let the price of gold stop you, because it is an indicator that no matter what the price is right now, it could always go up as well. Now, there is a difference in buying strategy when comparing the bullion, like the gold, silver, versus the finished jewelry, chains, bracelets, pendants, rings. You guys get the point. The premium is in the jewelry, will always be that way. But right now with the market, it is crazy. Sometimes it's even harder to find pamps. It's harder to find silver coins because the factories are limited, and then people are just buying everything else, because buying precious metals right now is the smart move. You don't know what the future is going to hold. If I make this video a year ago, it wouldn't make as much sense, but you guys know what I'm talking about right now. So I do think if you can, if you like chains, go with some gold. It's gonna be a little bit more expensive. Trust me, guys, I hate selling gold. I hate buying gold at what it costs right now. I just look, right now, last week, I lost $3,500 between the markets opening slightly higher with the gold I had to purchase. This week, I'm going to get destroyed in that prices, and it's tough. I have to reflect that cost. I have a weakening dollar. I have the taxes and duties. I have the price of gold just rising against what I'm trying to do. It kind of takes the fun out of it, and I liked when gold was a little bit lower. You could bring in more stuff, and it was just easier to work with compared to high gold prices, but you still got to buy. I still have to sell, run my business. And for me, as I look at it as a consumer on the other end, especially when I go to places like APMEX to buy some gold coins or silver, it is tough to buy American Eagle for the price and premium you're paying right now. You're going way over a normal premium, but you just can't get them, and they can't ship them out fast enough or receive them. I know how it works because I'm dealing with in chains compared to the bullion market, but it's the same thing. People are going crazy. So it is tough to work with, but at the end of the day, I have my goals as to what I want and hold, and I keep sticking with that. I know there's gonna be a drop, but at the end of the day, I'm still buying to hold it because having gold or silver, this is how I think is way more valuable than having paper or putting in the stock market. I just am that way. I like gold, I like silver for that reason. So for me, it's always important, no matter the price, to buy and hold. Like I said, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my past experience and knowledge on the precious metals markets, what you should do. A few things for certain. I've never dealt with a pandemic, so I really don't know what the market holds in the future. And also, these Supreme gloves are fire, but my hands are getting a little sweaty, so I have to wrap this video up right now. Definitely buy precious metals. Whether you want to wear chains, pay a little bit more premium, it's a good thing to have. Gold right now is king. It will hold that currency. It'll fight against inflation. It is just what is for sure. And you don't want to be that guy like we all are right now. If gold is at $3,000 an ounce, say, I wish I would have bought it lower, but you also don't want to be that guy if it drops to $1,500 an ounce, be like, I paid so much more. So it is definitely a gamble, but at the end of the day, it holds true to the value, gold or silver, your preference, of course. That's it for today's video. That's just my opinion. Always be buying and stacking no matter what, because gold and silver, that's the real money, like these gloves. Leave a comment down below, smash that like button. We'll see you on our next jewelry video.